Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impresa C60 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work as we had to do a tune-up, and for this specific model you literally have to open this side and this side in order to remove the brew unit. The brew unit is bolted in between the frame, and you have to access the screws from this side in order to remove the entire thing. Once we got there, because we had to go to that side, this is how it looks like. Let me show you. There you go. Perfect. So this is the side that you have to go through in order to remove the brew unit. That is okay on the other side. For this machine, this is the brew unit. We have to open the entire thing and clean everything that you see right here, including the grinder. We remove the top board of it, clean everything in here, as you can see. We remove the brew unit. This is the brew unit that you saw right there. That one is the brew unit. When we remove it out, we saw all these coffee buildup, a cleaning tablet on top of it as well. It was so dirty inside. Same as well inside of the machine. Parts of it. Parts of the spout. This is part of the spout as well. We completely disassemble the spout and clean it. And this is where we put it back together. You can already see the grinder already clean and the brew unit clean as well. And everything is just nice and clean right here on this picture. And this is where we put everything back together. And now we're testing the machine. Also, the display, you will see that it kind of does a weird thing once in a while, and that's because the refresh rate of our camera is the exact same. It's a similar refresh rate to the LCD screen, so they're interfering. So that's why you see it kind of weird. But over here, this is perfect. Does not blink or anything. The buttons are clear and they look good. So start with one shot of espresso. We're gonna be testing it out. We're also gonna have to stop the espresso a bit sooner, as the user programmed the espresso shot to be over 2 ounces of coffee. So I'm gonna stop it manually around here. That's around 2 ounces of espresso approximately. And as you can see, we got a nice crema on top of the espresso. Good color, excellent flow coming out through the spouts. We're grinding at the medium setting and we're using our test coffee, so this can actually be much more stronger than how it looks. There you go. There you go. Nice crema on top of it. Working fine. And now let's test the hot water side. As you can see, nice steady stream comes out of the hot water one. We descaled this machine and we also did a cleaning cycle, so the descaling really helped the thermoblocks to heat up. Now we're going to be testing the steamer mode of this machine. We're going to have to press this and hold for a bit, and we're going to have to wait for the boiler to heat up. Once the boiler is all heated up, we're going to see this light lighting up from here, and then we can turn the dial and use the steamer. It's going to shoot a bit of water because just use the water function. So once it purges itself, we're going to see that steady stream coming out of the one. We unfortunately do not have the adapter that goes in here with the milk, so we were not able to test or siphon any milk or anything. But as you can see, the steamer definitely works. Steams perfectly fine and it works perfectly. So there you have it. Jura Impresa C60 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.